Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on your Motorola Moto G77. So what you guys want to do first is remove screen protector or a case, and let me tell you why. Basically, whenever your screen protector on the screen is going off to the edges or to the sides of the phone, it's not fully covering the screen, then what you guys want to do is remove it, because it can cause a lot of interference, and that's why your touch might be either weird or someone will just keep on touching it. So this is what a ghost touch does, it just taps randomly on your screen. And for the case, if it's covering those dark lines between the screen and the sides of the phone, these are the so-called bezels. If it's covering them and it's going onto the screen, what will happen is simply you won't be able to use your phone, tap on anything, as you guys can see, and we want to remove it. Now we want to clean the screen to remove any debris or moisture, and as a bonus we're going to clean the fingerprints off, because we are using a microfiber cloth and it's known for getting rid of the fingerprints too. So now we got it done and the screen looks clean and fantastic. So after cleaning the screen, what we're going to do is we're going to go over and restart our phone. So this is very important. We're going to press the power button, the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over and update your software. So this is very important. We're going to go over into the settings, let the phone load. We're going to open up the settings app, and here in the settings we're going to scroll down to system updates. So once we are in the system updates, we click on check for updates. And here, after checking for updates, we should be able to see that we are using either the latest version or that we have an option to update available. So make sure that you update your software, it's very important. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.